Good morning, class 10 students. Today we are going to start the We and Our Society social subject. This unit is belong to Times Publications book social subject. In this unit, students will know the four main subject matters. One is the human resources and the development, concept of SDI and Nepal, concept of regional development and federal system, federalism. Next one is the federal system in Nepal. Today we are going to start about in this unit. Students will able to below the subject matters, concept the human development and find out the SDI of Nepal, regional development, federal structures of government, local, province and federal government features, human resource and development. What is the human resource and the development? The resource that belong to within the knowledge, skill and motivation of the people is called to the human resources. It means that human resources that belong with knowledge, skill and the motivation of the people. Human resource cover the workforce from the general workers to highly skilled and technical people. It means human resource cover the workforce and the general workers to highly skilled and technical people. Next one is that human resources is necessary for the economics, social, culture and scientific development of the country. It means human resource is necessary for the economics, social, cultural and scientific development of the country. Development is the dynamic process. It is the continuing process. It means, it brings the positive change. Development means every time it's come from the positive attitude. It's come from the positive development. We can't imagine in the measurement or process without the proper utilization, various means and capable workforce is important for the development. It means that every time to develop the everywhere capable people, capable workforce, human resources are necessary to develop the anywhere, either that country, either that in community and everywhere. A country, farmers, businessmen, doctors, engineer, pilot, teachers, officers, nurse, administrator, etc. are need as per the requirement of the development of the country. These are the main human resources. Without the human resources, there is no, we cannot हामीले परिकल्पना पनि गर्न सक्दैनौँ. We cannot imagine the development. That's why those persons, doctors, capable people, doctors, engineers, pilot, teachers, officer, nurse, administrator, like these peoples are necessary. These peoples are requirement for the development. The term of the human resource development consists of the two concepts, human resource and development for the human aspect. Implies the total knowledge, creative abilities, skills, talent and the skill of the workforce, as well as the values and the benefits of the workforce. It means that human resource development, this cancer applies the total knowledge. How many people they have knowledge and creativeness, abilities, skills, talent, skills of the workforce as far as the value of the benefits of the workforce. Then we can get the result. That is the meaning. Development refers to the process of the enhancing the skill, abilities. Yeah, it means that people, what we can say that development refer to the process of the enhancing the skills and abilities of the people. Whenever the peoples don't have to the skills, abilities, at that time we cannot say to the development. Human resource is an important resources remain unused for the development. Without, we cannot image the development. Without the human resource, nobody can. We cannot image and we cannot, it means that we cannot aspect the development. Human resources can also be called the workforce that can carry out a job competency and skillful, capable workers. Human resource means that persons should be competent and skillful, capable workers. Yeah, it is the meaning that. By the term human resource, we mean the size of the populations of the country along the efficiency, education, qualities, productivity, organization. By the human resource, we mean human capital. It means that the ability, skill and technical knowledge. Yeah, we can say to that. Human resource means human capital. That is the capital of the human. It means total that ability, skill, technical knowledge. Yeah, we can say that. That's why हामीले के कुरा बुझ्न जरुरी छ भने ह्युमन रिसोर्स बिना डेभलपमेन्ट चाहिँ परिकल्पना पनि गर्न सकिदैन. द्याट्स वाइ कस्तो खालको ह्युमन रिसोर्सेस हुनु पर्यो, हामी कस्तो खालको प्रोडक्ट हुनु पर्यो त भन्दा क्यापेबल खालको हुनु पर्यो, कम्पिटेन्सी भएको हुनु पर्यो, स्किलफुल भएको हुनु पर्यो हैन. त्यो खालको विकास भएको, त्यो खालको क्षमता भएको व्यक्तिले मात्रै विकासमा सक्रिय हुन सक्छ, विकास गर्न सक्छ र आफ्नो पनि विकास गर्न सक्छ र राज्यको पनि गर्न सक्छ. र राज्यलाई चाहिएको बेलामा चाहिँ उसले एउटा आफ्नो स्किल बेच्न सक्छ अथवा चाहिँ त्यो इन्भल्भमेन्ट हुन सक्छ भन्ने कुरा चाहिँ योबाट चाहिँ बुझिन्छ. त्यसैले गर्दा एभ्री कन्ट्री निड्स द क्यापेबल वर्कर्स. प्रत्येकलाई देयर इज निडेड द क्यापेबल वर्कर्स वर्कफोर्स इम्पोर्टेन्ट फर द डेभलपमेन्ट फर अ कन्ट्री. Farmers, businessmen, doctors, engineer, pilot, teachers, officer, nurse, administration, etc. needs as part of the requirement of the development. That's why for the country, these kinds of human resources is requirement for every country. It can be said that without the education, taking skillful knowledge are important and play the vital role for every sector of the development. Yeah, for the every knowledge, importance and play the vital role for to development. These kinds of human resources, if you have in a country, if you in your community, there are basically three types of the human resources. There are, we can say three types of the human resources. One is the skill human resources. Which kinds of human resources are skill human resources? Skilled human resources refer to the well-trained, who have the well-trained, who have the capacity, who have the knowledge, regarding that kinds of subject matters. Well-educated, energetic, and experienced human resources, such resources are capable to achieve any specified work. That persons can do the work, specified work. The skilled person must possess a thorough and that kinds of persons we can say to the skillful human resources. Number two, B, semi-skilled human resources. Semi type of the human resources refer to the people who are simply educated. Those people are simply educated, trained, experienced, and capable to do the simple work. Like these kinds of profession, driver, plumbing, electricians, carpenters, mechanicals, etc. are some example of the semi-skilled human resources. And unskilled human resources. Unskilled human persons is one who can perform the simple duties that not require the special training, education, experience like labor, porters, workers, etc., who depend on the physical labor for carrying out job are some example of the unskillful human resources. Like this kinds of 3%. A country developed need the different kinds of human resources likewise, short-term human resources and the long-term human resources. What is the short-term human resources? This type of the human resources required for short-term specified job, work, force, required the harvesting crops, paper, plodding workers working in the proper industry are example. Such type of worker requires the specified training, course and equipment for the carry out the duties. Yeah, these are the short term, which those persons is used for the specified certain time. This is the meaning. And who are the long term human resources? It refers to the worker that works throughout their active life and the develop, practice and the exercise in the similar area of the work. Once development with necessary the knowledge and skill, these peoples serve the country. Yeah, that is the if the persons does the work for the long time. Yeah, like these kinds of peoples is doing the long-term job, like the police, army. That these kinds of persons who is needed for the nation, for the development. Temporary workers refer to the workforce that hired for the period of the permanent workforce gets the more privilege than the temporary. One development of the human resource requires a visionary planning and the investment. These persons hire the people, permanent workers, for get the more privilege. This is the temporary. These persons is needed for the certain time. Those persons we can say to the temporary workers. That's why in these lessons, in this unit, we learn about the different kinds of subject matters. Firstly, we know about the concept of the human development, and like this way, human resources and development, what is the relation, human resources and the development, and like this way, what is the skill human resources, and how many kinds of the human resources, three types of the skillful, semi-skillful, and the unskillful human resources, and what is the long-term and the short-term human resources. We know about this, and permanent, temporary, these types of the human resources, human workforce. And for the discussion, I have given the 4 questions for you. What is the human resources, and what is the correlations with the development and the human resources? How many kinds of the human resources, and why skilled human resources is important for the nation? Define the short term of the long term, and the long term workforce. These are the some important questions for the discussion and for your discussion questions. We will discuss the next topics. Thank you for your listening, dear all students.